Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a depressed gray from Rainbow Friends. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eyebrows. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw eyes. Draw tear on the eye. Draw mouth. Draw a U shape for the body. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw horns on the chin. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.